you by yourself. Now finish your salah by yourself. Imagine that you're making Fatiha, Ruku, Sujood. Eventually you're making your salah and you finish it. So I'm going to be just standing silently as an imam. Okay, they're done. I'm still waiting, standing though. So now what you do, guys, you go and you now exchange position. Change posts with them. Now, when the last actual group joins in, they give me an indication that they're already there, and I start my recitation. You start your salah. So basically now you're done. You make your takbir, and then I will start the recitation. I'm done with my recitation. Go to the ruku', Allahu Akbar. You come with me to salah. Sami Allah liman hamida. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. I'm now sitting for the tashahhud. They stand up to continue and make that rak'ah. On your own, guys. Finish it and then come down to the tashahhud.
You're just waiting for them now.
Huh? I'm waiting for them. And you guys keep guarding. Don't tell me anything. Just finish your tashahhud. I'll just sense it. So when I feel that they're all done, then I'll finish my tashahhud and I'm waiting for them to finish their tashahhud, assuming that they're done. Then I will say, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. They give salam with me. So we're done with that salah. Why? Because now we don't know exactly where the enemy is. However, if we know that the enemy is in this direction, then we face their direction. In this case, we're going to do the other format of salah. So we know that they're in one direction right now. You guys are going to form a second line. Form a second line. Okay, give space for the sujood and ruku for yourself. Okay. Now, form a second line, stand up in salah. So this is now the other format. If they have it actually in this direction. In this case, what the imam is going to do, as he prays, he is going to pray with this line first. So I'm going to do the ruku'. Let's say we did the recitation, Allahu Akbar, and you guys, all of you start salah together. All of you in the back row. Allahu Akbar. We start our salah. I do the recitation and everything, and then go to the ruku'. When I do the ruku', the back line don't do your ruku'. Is that clear? You keep standing and guarding. So in this case, you guys do the ruku' with me. Allahu Akbar. So they make the ruku', you guys keep standing, and by the way, don't look to the position of sujood. You look forward. And just in case, if you see that they're attacking, you don't say Subhanallah. Especially because, that's what you say. Eventually, we go to the ruku', Sami Allah liman hamida, Rabbana lakal hamd. We go to the sujood, and you still keep standing. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Now, we stand up. You guys do your ruku and sujood. You guys do the ruku and sujood, you guard. You look up there. So until they're done with the ruku and their sujood, then the imam continues with the recitation for the second rak'ah, and then doing the same thing. They guard, and this line continues with the imam. So we can assume that they are almost done with the sujood.
Are you reciting out loud?
No, I'm just waiting for them.
No, I mean, are you reciting out loud?
Yes, it depends on the salah though. Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Sometimes if it's 4 rak'ah, then you're going to do, instead of just 2 rak'ahs, it's going to be 2 plus 2. So basically, they join you 2, and those guys actually, they're going to join the next 2 rak'ah, just like we did.
Is Salatul Khawf separate from the first salah?
What do you mean?
This is Salatul Khawf, right?
This is Salatul Khawf. It's totally separate from any other salah. It's basically, the fourth salah. You're making Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha right now. You're just making actually this salah. Eventually now, we're going to do the same thing. Ruku', Allahu Akbar. Sami Allah liman hamida. Does anybody went down from them? Then sujood, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Now we're making our tashahhud. You guys make your salah, continue with that, and go to the tashahhud.
Probably looking up.
Huh? These guys are now guarding.
Well, sitting.
Those who are sitting, yeah, they can see. It's open front, basically. So now, until they did with the tashahhud, then we go all together and finish the salah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In another actually format, keep your position. In the other format, they alternate. For example, I pray the first rak'ah with the first row, and the second rak'ah I will pray it with the second row. So when I make my ruku', the first row will keep standing, and the second one will go to the ruku' and sujood. So they alternate. There are different actually formats for Salat al-Khawf. This is just one of the two of the many, but actually two of the many formats of Salat al-Khawf as they described in books of Hadith and books of Jazakumullah khair. Tafadhal. This now is Salat al-Khawf.